Hello and welcome to EduBridge IAS and News. In this video, we will discuss Kongu Nadu issue in Tamil Nadu. In this discussion, following aspects are included: why this topic is in news, what is Kongu Nadu, what is the history of Kongu Nadu, and what is the constitutional provision for creation of new states. You can relate this topic with the regionalism in the GS paper 1, and also this is important for the prelims examination. Before we move on to our discussion, if you are preparing for UPSC 2021 prelims, we are coming up with current affairs course. This is starting from 1st of August. You can find the details of this course in the description of this video, or you can visit our website www.edubridgeias.com. So why this topic is in news? As you would know that recently Council of Ministers at central government was reshuffled, जिसमें द बीजेपी ने एक लिस्ट में जारी की थी जिसमें द न्यू मिनिस्टर एल मुरुगन वॉज मेंशन्ड एज हेलिंग फ्रॉम कोंगू नाडू. व्हाट इज़ कोंगू नाडू? फॉर्मली यह कोई एक रीजन नहीं है, ना किसी रीजन को फॉर्मली नाम दिया गया है, ना इस प्लेस का कोई पिन कोड है. It is in the present state of Tamil Nadu, it is informally used for a region that includes the districts of Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Tirupur, Erode, Karur, Namakkal, Salem, or some part of Dindigul district, and also Dharmapuri district. The place derives its name from Kongu Velalla Gondel community, which is a OBC community. The region includes prominent business and industrial hubs at Namakkal, Salem, Tirupur, and Coimbatore. You can see in this map here. This is the region which is Kongu Nadu. It is part of in the ancient Tamil region. It is part of one of the 5 regions. The other 4 are Pandya Nadu, Chola Nadu, Nadu Nadu, and other is Tondai Nadu. If we talk about the history of Kongu Nadu, in the ancient Tamilham, sometimes it is also mentioned as Tamilham, it was the seat of Chera king, जिसके 3 साइड में थे Tondai Nadu, Chola Nadu, and Pandya Nadu. The region was ruled by Cheras during Sangam age between 1st century to 4th century. It served as a eastern entrance to Palakkad Gap. Palakkad Gap कहाँ है? This is the Palakkad Gap. इसको पालघाट गैप भी बोलते हैं. This is the Nilgiri hills, और this the Anaimalai hills. It is 32 kilometer wide. The Kosal people mentioned in the 2nd century Tamil epic Silpatikaram are from this region. Silpatikaram, what is this Silpatikaram? It is a part of twin Tamil epics of Sangam literature. One is Silpatikaram and the other is Mani Mekalai. This Silapatikaram was written by Ilango Adikal, who was a Chera prince. It revolves around Kannagi, who was wife of Kovalam, who preferred a courtesan Madhavi over his wife. So this Kannagi takes revenge from the kingdom because of injustice done towards her husband. इसके बाद से there was a Kannagi cult developed in the Tamil region. The region was located on the ancient Roman trade route that extended from Muziris to Arikamedu. Muziris is an ancient port in the on the western coast, and Arikamedu is on the eastern coast. Later, the medieval Cholas conquered the region in the 10th century CE. Before it, the Gangas ruled it for 5 centuries. It came under the rule of Vijayanagar Empire in the 15th century, and by the end of after the end of Vijayanagar Empire in the 17th century, Madurai Nayaks, who were the military governors of Vijayanagar Empire, established their state as an independent kingdom. After that, in the 18th century, it came under kingdom of Mysore. जिसके बाद after the defeat of Tipu Sultan, it was included in Madras Presidency in 1799. What are the constitutional provisions for creation of new states? Article 2 and Article 3 provides for creation of new states. Article 2 में provision है कि अगर कोई भी एरिया यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया का पार्ट नहीं है तो उसको यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया में एडमिट करके नई स्टेट बनाने का प्रोविज़न है. एंड आर्टिकल 3 में क्या प्रोविज़न है? इसमें प्रोविज़न है टू फॉर्म और चेंज द एग्जिस्टिंग स्टेट्स जो ऑलरेडी यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया का पार्ट है, उनमें चेंजेस का प्रोविज़न आर्टिकल 3 में किया गया है. अगर डिटेल में देखें तो आर्टिकल 3 ऑथराइजेज पार्लियामेंट टू चेंज द नेम, एरिया एंड बाउंड्री ऑफ एनी स्टेट, and also to form a new state by separation of territory from any state, or by uniting two or more states or part of state, or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. इसमें एक और पावर इंक्लूड है कि पार्लियामेंट कैन क्रिएट न्यू स्टेट बाय यूनाइटिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ एनी स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरी टू एनी अदर स्टेट. ये एक्सप्लेनेशन was included by 18th Constitutional Amendment Act. आर्टिकल 3 में दो कंडीशन भी दी हुई है कि रिगार्डिंग क्रिएशन ऑफ न्यू स्टेट. पहली कंडीशन यह है कि द बिल विच इज़ कंटेम्पलेटिंग द अबव चेंजेस कैन बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ओनली इन द पार्लियामेंट ओनली आफ्टर द प्रायर रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ प्रेजिडेंट. एंड सेकेंड कंडीशन ये है कि President has to refer the same bill to the state legislature which is concerned with the alteration of area, boundary और name. States को इस टाइप का इसका जवाब देना होता है within a specified period. But the president is not bound the advice of this state. अगर किसी स्टेट की मंजूरी नहीं भी है तो भी पार्लियामेंट कैन क्रिएट अ न्यू स्टेट. This was it. So, if you want the PDF of this discussion, you can join our Telegram channel at edubridge_IAS, or where you can also participate in daily quiz, and also you will get other regular updates about UPSC. Thank you very much.